Okay, hey guys, I'm doing my how to use your Bath & Body Works Body Care Up Fast video. I did this 2 years ago, so go check that out if you haven't already, but this is going to be my updated one for 2020. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. For pocket bags, I pick a pocket bag. This is Black Cherry Merlot. Now these ones I'm not using up right now. These are just examples, you know. So Black Cherry Merlot. And I will use it until it's finished. I won't use like one every day. I'll just use this one every day. And then when this is done, I use another one. So this is one, okay, so I use this, I would say twice an hour. Once or twice an hour, I use a pocket bag, and I use plenty of it. Okay. Then, after using a pocket bag, I always use a cream. And I've already finished last year's of the Bahamas. This is the backup, which is not my only one, because there'll be the empties, the last one, which we'll see in a few weeks. And I use this, I would say, after using a pocket bag, so twice an hour. And then I'll put on my elbows, and I'll put it on the crease of my elbow here, and then the excess, that's with my hands, I'll put on my arms. And if you use one cream, which I don't usually do unless it's like half empty, I just want to finish it off, then I'll use it consistently. But with creams, I don't use a lot of creams, to be honest. But yeah, but if you want to use it up for sure, you just pick one for the season and just finish it up until it's done. That's my advice for that. Same for the soap. I wash my hands maybe twice an hour. Doesn't matter what kind of soap it is. I finish the soap within 5 days every single time. And I wash my hands maybe 2 or 3 times each time I do it. So 2 or 3 times, once or twice an hour. And I can do a soap as well. So it finishes 5 days too. And then if your hands are dry, you just use more cream. And so on and so on. So these 3 are like interchangeable. Pocket bag, cream, wash my hands, pocket bag, cream, depending on how I do it. Okay. And that's like every hour, twice an hour, as many times as you want. And then, yeah, so that's how that goes up fast. When I'm showering, I use a shower gel, one until I'm done, and then same one. I don't trade it every day. I used to, but not anymore. And then use a shower gel. I use plenty of it, put in a loofah. If I don't have a loofah, I just use my hands. And, yeah, until it's done. And I can use the shower gel in like 6 days on average. Yeah. So I can get through that really fast. And then for shower gel / hair, I use a Men's Body Care. And I can use this in 2 months. Because I use this on days that like this is almost done. I use some of this for shower gel. Or this by itself a shower gel if I feel like it. And then I wash my hair every 3 or 4 days. Lovely. Every time. Every 3 or 4 days. I use this. A Men's Body Care item. For my hair, to wash my hair. And I use a lot of it. And as your hair gets longer, you use more and more of it, and then you use it faster and faster. So there we go. And then for spray, what I'll do is I use it as I use sprays mostly as bathroom and room sprays. So you can use a lot of it. If you use it as just bathroom and room spray, you can use it up in 2 months. And then I don't use a lot of spray on me anymore. I mostly use sprays just for bathroom and room spray, or to collect them. And that's how you do it. If you really want to use it on you, you can do it as room spray and bathroom spray, and then you can bathe yourself in it like every 30 minutes, but I don't do it anymore. But you can if you want. I used to do that, but anyway. So, yeah, that's how I use my Bath & Body Works Body Care Up Fast for 2020. Hopefully this helps you guys, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.